Are you looking for some free things to do in the month of December in Naperville, Illinois? This video is for you. I'm Amy Pearson. I'm a local realtor. I serve Western Suburbs as well as downtown Chicago. I make weekly videos like this one on community information, real estate, and driving tours. So I've got a list of some really fun things that my family and I love to do in Naperville every year. I am a local realtor. I help people buy and sell in the Naperville area. If you're looking to move to the area, feel free to reach out. Info's below. I've been helping people moving from out of state find their dream home in the Naperville area. I'd love to help you out. Also, one more real estate tip before I give you my free list of things to do would be that December is actually the best month to buy a home. Surprisingly, yes. There's less competition from other buyers, and I believe the date, December 23rd, is the date that you can get the best deal on a home. It changes every year. I think it's around December 23rd. If you're looking for a deal, that would be the date to put an offer on a home because you can get the best discount, they say, on December 23rd. All right, so here's my list of free things to do. The first thing on my list, we actually did last night in my neighborhood, would be the Santa drive-by. There is a Santa drive-by in Naperville that happens. It goes throughout all the different neighborhoods in Naperville. It is the 5th year happening. I'm going to put a link below so that you can look it up. The Santa drive-by, there are 12 nights of the Santa drive-by. I think it covers every subdivision possible. It almost winds down almost every single road. So check out the map below. You can see what neighborhoods it goes through, what subdivisions. But yeah, it's 12 nights. The first night was last night. And Santa drives by, you wave. It's a really fun experience. Insider tip though, don't stand and wait all night for Santa. Santa moves very slowly on his float. There is a Santa tracker. We've become experts doing this now. We watch Santa as he moves through different subdivisions. When Santa, we're at the end of our subdivision for the Santa route. When Santa starts to get to the beginning of the subdivision, we run out to we go to the bus stop where all the kids are at the bus stop, watch Santa go by. Insider tip though, Santa tracker was not that accurate. It was really cold last night. So a lot of kids were waiting for the last minute to run out, and it looked like Santa was still far away on the app tracker, and then he kind of came around the corner really fast. So maybe give yourself a little bit more time on the Santa tracker when you're getting closer to your neighborhood. All right, next one would be the Letters to Santa. Letters to Santa is a fun one we do. There is a mailbox in downtown Naperville. I'll put more info below as well for this. Santa mailboxes in downtown Naperville, specifically just for Santa letters that your children write to Santa. Make sure you have a return address on that letter because you get a return letter. Your child gets a return letter. I save them every year. Here's one of the letters we've gotten from Santa. It is customized to your child, to the town, and then there is a gift that they put in the letter. So it is personalized to your child. We get those every year. That is a top thing to do. You do have to have it in by December 20th in order to get a letter back from Santa. Another free thing, I love free things. There's the holiday painted windows in downtown Naperville to check out. All the storefronts paint their windows. There is a holiday bear scavengers hunt happening in the downtown Naperville shops. There is a bear that is hidden. If you find the bear, I think you get a prize or something. Another one that is a free thing. This is not in Naperville. This is the Cosley Zoo. Actually has the Festival of Lights. It is free. So just go check it out. I think it's great for younger children. It's kind of like a baby mini zoo lights happening. So it's Cosley Zoo in Wheaton, Illinois. Let me see if I've gotten all my things in my free things up. And I think that, there's one more free thing to do that's on our favorite things would be the Napier Lights on Water Street is decorated all up. So that's in downtown Naperville. Water Street has the Napier Lights on Water Street. And our personal favorite that my family loves to do would be drive around looking at the holiday lights in Naperville. We love it. People go all out, go crazy for the Naperville lights. There is a map that someone publishes every single year. It's called the Believe House. I'll put a link below to that as well. They actually go around. It's a family that started this several years ago, and they vet every single house to make sure that it's there, that it's decorated. I believe houses have to be nominated to get on the map. It's a big deal. So I usually research the map. I find some really good ones for my family to check out. We usually do 5 to 6 that are kind of not too far out away from our house. And it's a real fun outing. So we like to do our DIY Christmas lights tour. I'll put the link below so you can see where to find the Believe House map. They did a map as well for the Halloween decorations as well. people go all out as well for Halloween decorations. So these are some fun things to do. I will say, I have some nieces that are in high school. They drive from another town to come check out the Naperville lights because they go so crazy in Naperville to check them out. So it is definitely worthy to check out the lights. It's really fun. These are some free things. I love free things to do to help celebrate the holidays, get in the holiday mood. Hope you enjoyed my list of free things to do in Naperville. I'm Amy Pearson. I'm a local realtor. If you're looking to buy or sell in the Naperville area, I'd love to help you out. Info's below, and I'd love to help you find your dream home. I've got another great video coming up that I think you like, so stick around.